Whether you're in the classroom pulling out those interactive notebooks or engaging your students in distance teaching and learning, introduce them to doodling. That's right. Today's FA is brought to you by the letter D. Doodle it. Skillful teachers, and welcome back to Skillful Teaching with Dr. Angela. I'm Angela McCord, Skillful teacher and education consultant. My goal is to motivate, inspire, and uplift teachers everywhere and build my professional network, including YOU. So now is a great time, if you haven't already done so, hit that subscribe button and the little bell to be notified for video uploads. The science is clear, y'all. Doodling or drawing beats out reading and writing for helping students remember concepts.
Don't believe me, just watch.
Don't believe me? Just watch.
Educators now say that doodling is a good thing. Well, we went right to our Y guy, Jerry Carnes, to make sure that was true.
It's a sign that you're bored. Do it in class and you'll likely convince your teacher you're not paying attention. But here's some good news, students and teachers. Doodling in class or at work may not be a bad thing. Why? According to a report from the Harvard Medical School, most U.S. presidents have been doodlers. That includes Teddy Roosevelt, John F. Kennedy, and Ronald Reagan's cowboy sketches. A local educator tells us most students doodle to keep their brain awake and attentive. It's a last-ditch effort to keep your brain from shutting down. During a long lecture, students can become restless, bored, and tired. Doodling can help them find focus. Allowing a student to fill the margins of their notebook with random sketches can keep them from other, much more disruptive behavior. That Harvard Medical School report says paying attention for a long period of time can be a strain on the brain, and doodling can be the break the old noggin needs. Professor in the University of Georgia's Department of Education tells me doodling is okay if the drawings are relevant to the lesson. So while it may not be for everyone, those random sketches just might be a sign that you've got a brain that's presidential.
Yeah, I didn't know so many presidents doodled.
Yeah, hey, doodling is good.
But remember, it's not about beautiful pictures. It's about processing the content. So let's go see some doodles. Why should we recommend doodling or sketch notes to our students? Whether virtual learning or face-to-face, students still need to take notes to help process the important information. So recommending this form of note-taking will transform regular note-taking into an engaging activity for learning, and face it, it will make our job of assessing student work much more interesting as well. We know regular note-taking can be quite boring for students. However, using doodle or sketch notes is an active form of listening and learning. This YouTuber, Carrie, lays out a beginner's guide to sketchnoting in the classroom, which is doodling as well. 3 big ideas that she shares are: 1, you don't have to be an artist to do sketchnoting or doodling. 2, teachers should model it for the students if you want them to engage in it. And 3, practice, practice, practice. The more you do it, the better you'll become. There are all sorts of ideas and examples out there. I'm going to link her video in the description box below. Now, who's ready to show their students how to doodle? In this time of increased distance learning, doodling is going to be an excellent way to keep our students engaged in the content while we assess what they know and provide quality feedback. Learn more about the research on drawing at this article link, and I will put it in the description box below. This video was brought to you by the letter D. Thank you for watching, learning, and sharing, because we know quality teaching is quality education.